All right, y'all, what's up? 2022 GasGas MC250F right here. I wanted to go ahead and put this video up and just let you guys know that the GasGases are unchanged for 2022, but they did add a couple new bikes to lineup. They did the 350 motocrosser, they did the 252 stroke. I'm still trying to find out if the exact fork got the same update as the KTMs and Huskies, but I haven't been able to find that out yet. But the bike in general is yeah, there's a cool guy on a rocket over there. But the bike in general is unchanged 100%. So didn't really bother me because I loved this look from day one. I love all the red, I love the colored number plates, the fit and finish is fantastic. Just a sharp looking machine, and we expect these things to go like crazy this year because it literally is just a cheaper KTM. Map switch and a few other things you don't get, but most of that stuff you don't get, you really don't need anyway. So definitely don't hesitate to get on a red GasGas for 2022. All right, guys, 2022 MC250F. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.